will see a pair of igniters on each of the combustion chambers. We have a pair here, and the same thing down at that end. And I'm going to go get one of these igniters to be able to carry on the side shaft. There are four of them, one for every set of igniters. It puts voltage to a coil on a round box back of the wall below that brass pressure connector. Internal combustion